the last few years, EV sales have seen a steep increase. Even though last year, with the global pandemic, growth has slowed down, the trend is undeniable. The growth is there.
Not only Taiwan, the global electric vehicle market has been booming over recent years. Then what advantage does Taiwan have to rely on to surpass the leading brands? It does have the strong supply chain of electric vehicle components. In Tesla's logistics system, Taiwanese manufacturers have contributed in all fields.
So these are all, again, opportunities for us to go into automation, flexibility, and higher productivity with intelligent solutions.
Taiwan makers have renowned in the supply chain of automotive peripheral parts around the world.
TYC is an important link for the global OEM and replacement aftermarket supply chain in the automotive lighting devices industry. All TYC lighting devices are designed and developed in-house to fulfill the fast-evolving and highly diversified automotive market.
Automobile is going to be electrified, therefore energy saving, lightweighting, and environmental protection are the main concern and the trend.
In early days, they just can cut into the aftermarket of automobile industry, but now they not only are the tier 1 suppliers, but also can provide innovative design and support smart production line for world-famous automakers.
Facing the fast-changing era, by refining its strengths in the industry, Hota is always creating brand new values between tradition and innovation. At the beginning of the manufacturing process, Hota introduces the technology of virtual ID and QR code to establish product traceability and strictly review each process.
CAFO has put significant investment in inspection equipment, all of which are to ensure the parts we buy and the finished machines we make are with optimal quality. Facing the trend and the needs of international market and high-end customers, domestic companies must adopt strategies and work towards the global trend of carbon reduction. The EV industry is growing fast, and we all need to speed up to seize the opportunity.